It was a bright Saturday morning in Happy House Village, where everyone loved baking delicious treats. Every year, children from the village entered a famous cookie competition. The winner would receive a shiny golden cookie, trophy, and a giant basket filled with baking supplies. Everyone couldn't wait to see who would bake the tastiest cookies. Emma loved baking with her grandmother every weekend. She believed cookies should always be made with love. Across the room stood Max, who wanted to win more than anything else. He kept saying, "I'm going to make the biggest and fanciest cookies ever." The competition began, and everyone hurried to mix their ingredients. Butter, flour, sugar, eggs, and chocolate chips filled the air with wonderful smells. Emma carefully measured every ingredient just as her grandmother had taught her. Max rushed as fast as he could because he wanted to finish first. Suddenly, Lily accidentally dropped her bowl of cookie dough onto the floor. "Oh no!" she cried, trying not to cry herself. Some children kept baking because they didn't want to lose precious time. Emma immediately put down her spoon and walked over to help. "We can make another batch together," Emma said with a warm smile. Max watched them from across the room. At first, he thought helping would only slow Emma down. But then he remembered something his father once told him. "Winning means very little if you forget to be kind," Max smiled. Grabbed some chocolate chips and joined them. The three children laughed while mixing, rolling and cutting cookie shapes together. Soon, delicious cookies filled the oven. The sweet smell spread throughout the whole building. Finally, it was time for the judges to taste every cookie. They carefully sampled each cookie one by one. Then the head judge stood up with a golden trophy. "The cookies were all wonderful," the judge announced. "But today, we also saw something even sweeter than cookies. We saw kindness, friendship, and teamwork." So this year's cookie competition winners are Emma, Lily, and Max together. Everyone cheered loudly and celebrated together. Instead of keeping the prize for themselves, the three friends shared the baking supplies with everyone. That afternoon, the village baked cookies together and filled every home with laughter. Emma, Lily, and Max learned that helping others never makes you lose. Sometimes, kindness is the secret ingredient that makes every victory truly special. Moral of the story: winning is wonderful, but kindness, friendship, and teamwork make every success even sweeter.